Dear students, today I am going to take class 5th Mathematics, chapter 2, the 4 operations. Already we have done addition and subtraction. This is next part, multiplication and division. Let us see the example first. Example 1, multiply 4527 by 8. First we have to count how many numbers are there. There are 4 numbers, that means ones, tens, hundred, thousands. First we have to write the numbers. What is the number? 4527. We are going to multiply by 8. Here only one number, so it is in ones place. So as usual, 4527 we are going to multiply by 8. So which table we are going to use? Table 8. 8 sevens are 56. So 6 we have to write here. 5 carry over to the next place. 8 twos are 16. Here we have to do the plus. So 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. So 1 we have to write here. 2 is going to the next place. Next, 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. 2 we have to write here. 4 is going to the next place. Finally, 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 4 is equal to 36. Answer is 36,216. Next example, multiply 752 by 308. This is also 3-digit number. 308 also 3-digit number. So first we are going to do the multiply 752 by which number? 308. So first we are going to start from ones place. As a ones place, what is the number? 8. First you take 8. So multiply by all the numbers. That means 752. Next we have to take 0. Multiply by all the numbers. Finally we have to take 3. We have to multiply with all the numbers. So let us start. Take 8. 8 twos are 16. 6 we have to write here. 1 we have to write in the tens place. Next, 8 multiply by 5. 8 fives are 40. 40 plus 1 is equal to 41. So 1 we have to write here. 4 is going to the 100 place. Next, 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 4 is equal to 60. Now we have done ones place. Next we are going to take tens place. So 0, it is in tens place. So we are going to write from tens place. Ones place we have to put the cross. Tens place 0. 0 multiply by 2 is equal to 0. That means when you will do the multiply with that 0, that whole number will become 0. 0 multiply by 2 is equal to 0. 0 multiply by 5 is equal to 0. 0 multiply by 7 is equal to 0. Next, 100 place. As a 100 place, what is the number? 3. 100 place we are going to do. That means ones place we have to put the cross. Tens place also we have to put the cross, because we are going to see the 100 place. So as a 100 place number is 3, we are going to multiply by 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 fives are 15. 5 we have to write here. 1 is going to the 100 place. 3 sevens are 21. 21, 1 is here. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. When you will do the multiply, finally we have to do plus. So here 6 is here as a ones place. 6 is here. Here nothing is there. 6. We have to write here 6. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Plus 6 is equal to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Plus 5 is equal to 11. 1 we have to write here. 1 carry over to the next place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Directly we can write 2. So what is the answer? 2,31,616. Next we are going to see division. This is also example. Divide 825 by 3. Here there are 3 numbers. This is a dividend. This is a divisor. Divisor means which table you are going to say. that is a divisor. So divisor means 3. Which table you are going to say? Table 3. So we have to write here dividend, we have to write inside 825. Divisor means only one number is here. So in that dividend we can take only one numbers. When you will do the division, upper number should be biggest, down number should be smallest. So let us start. Now which table you are going to say? Table 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. But here 8 is here. So when you will write 9 means down number is the biggest number. So that is wrong. So 3 twos are 6. It is correct. So when you will do the divide, we have to do the subtraction. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. We can take next number, put the arrow mark, then directly we can take same number 2. Next 3 sevens are 21, 3 8s are 24, but here only 22 is here. So which one is possible? 3 sevens are 21. Next we have to do the subtraction. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So any number is here? Yes, 5. Put the long arrow mark, take what is the number is here? 5. Directly you can write 5. Next which table you are going to say? Table 3. 3 5s are 15. Now we have to do the subtraction. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So what is the answer? Answer means quotient. What is the quotient? 275. What is the remainder? 0. If you want to check the answer whether it is correct or wrong means, what is the quotient? 275. We have to multiply by divisor. What is the divisor? Table. Which table you used? Table 3. We have to do the multiply. So when you will do the multiply, 275 by 3, your answer is 825. Then we have to do plus remainder. So remainder, what is the answer? 0. So 825 plus 0 is equal to answer is 825. Next example, divide 77,218 by 35 and check your answer. This is a dividend. We have to write inside. 35 is a divisor. Divisor means which table you are going to say. That means 35. So how many numbers are here? There are 2 numbers. So when you will say the table, that dividend you can take only 2 numbers, because which table you are going to say? Only 2 numbers. So inside also we can take 2 numbers. If that number it is not possible means we can take next number. But it is 77 is here, here 35. So it is possible, we can say the table. Now you say 35 table. 35 ones are 35. 35 twos are 70. So 35 threes are, it is going increasing. So 35 twos are 70. So when you will do the division, we have to do the subtraction. So 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Here 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So what is the remaining? 7. So here we have to put the arrow mark, take next number 2. Directly you can write 2. Next we have to say the table, same table 35. Again here 72 is here. So which one is possible? Same. 35 twos are 70. So again we have to do the subtraction. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Only 2 is here. If you want to take, we can take next number. Put the arrow mark. What is the next number? 1. So put the arrow mark, take 1. 35 table. You see, already I told upper number should be biggest. If you say 35 ones are 35 means down number is the biggest number. So we cannot do anything. So which number we can say? 35 zeros are 0. That means when you will do the multiply with that 0, we can get the answer is 0. So 0 is possible. 35 zeros are 0. So 21 minus 0 is equal to what is the answer? 21. Next we can put the arrow mark. What is the next number? 8. So put the long arrow mark, take 8. Now we can say the 35 table. 35 6 are 210. We have to do the subtraction. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 21 minus 21 is equal to 0. So what is the quotient? 2206 is the quotient. What is the remainder? 8. Now we want to check the answer. What is the quotient? multiply by divisor. Divisor means which table we used. So quotient 2206 multiply by 35 plus remainder. So 2206 multiply by 35 is equal to 77,210. So remainder, what is the remainder? 8. We have to do plus. So what is the answer? 77,218. So now you check dividend. What is the dividend? 77,218. So answer is correct. Next, one more example. Divide 51,326 by 245 and check your answer. This is a dividend. Which table you are going to say? That is a divisor. So dividend we have to write inside 51,326. Divisor table we have to write outside 245. So how many numbers are here? There are 3 numbers. So inside also we have to take 3 numbers. So 245. We have to say the table. 245 multiply by 1 is equal to 245. So when you will do the multiply by 2, 245 multiply by 2 is equal to, answer is 490. So we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 9 from 1 we cannot do the subtraction because 1 is the smallest number, so we can borrow from the neighbor. So when you will borrow 1 tenths means 1 will become 11, 5 will become 4. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is remaining? 23. So next, if you want to take next number, we can put arrow mark, take what is the next number? 2. So 245, here 232 is here. 245 is the biggest number, 232 is the smallest number, so it is not possible. So 245, when you will multiply by 0, we can get smallest number. So 245 multiply by 0 is equal to 0. So same number we can get when you will do the subtraction. 232. So what is the next number? Any number is here? Yes, 6. So we can put the arrow mark, take 6. Now we can say the 245 table. 245 multiply by 9 is equal to 2205. Now we can do the subtraction. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the remainder? 121. So quotient 209. If you want to check the answer, what is the quotient? 209 multiply by divisor 245. When you will do the multiply, answer is 51,205 plus we have to add with remainder. What is the remainder? 121. When you will do the addition, answer is 51,326. This is exercise 2.2. Option A, write in columns and find the product. Product means you have to do the multiply. Only 4 sums, you have to do it in your classwork copy. Option B, divide and check your answer. First you have to do the division, then finally you have to check the answer. All the sums you have to check the answer. Thank you.